Hey guys, I'm Zach with Baku Trade, and today we're coming with another unboxing. Today we'll be unboxing Doomtronic, a Bakugan battlesuit. I was at my local Target and I found this, got very excited. It was hard myself not opening this on the way home. I think this is the newest wave of Bakugan. I'm really looking forward to the... what are they called? I think it's the Bakumine. Now, I don't know any of the rules on this new one, but it'll be a learning experience if I can get it out of its case. Okay, this is Doomtronic. Comes with his ability card, or it's not really an ability card, I don't think. It just says Bakugan Battlesuit. Doomtronic gets plus 100 G power if your enemy has a Mechtagon at this battle. That's decent. Let's get a Bakugan and open it up. One moment. That's pretty awesome, if you ask me. This specific one right here gives... Let me see if I can find it real quick. Again, these are new to me also. I do not see a G-Power bonus. I'm sure it has one somewhere. I do not know. I'll post another video up soon of the new battle suits whenever I know a little more about them and not completely blind, but very good looking if you ask me. Until next time, I'm Zach. Stay tuned for more.